Good morning, Miss Neal's third grade class. This is Mrs. Felicia. We're going to dive right into our lesson 13, math. And these are our flashcards for today. Remembering that a quarter past equals 15 minutes. A quarter past equals what? Get ready. A quarter past equals 15 minutes. So a quarter past 9 is, think about it. A quarter past 9 is 9:15. If you got that right, phenomenal job. You remembered that a quarter past equals 15 minutes. And a quarter past 10 equals, think about it. Get ready. 10:15. A quarter past 10 is 10:15 because a quarter past equals 15 minutes. And next one, quarter past 11. Think about it. 11:15. A quarter past 11 is 11:15 because a quarter past equals 15 minutes. A quarter past equals what? Get ready. Yes, 15 minutes. Good job, buddy. And moving on to our next flashcard, a quarter till equals 45 minutes, subtract 1 hour. I know that we have a problem with these buddies, but that's okay. We're gonna try to remember them. So a quarter till 9 is 45 minutes, subtracting 1 hour. So what is a quarter till 9 if we add 45 minutes and subtract 1 hour? Get ready. If you got 8:45, that is right, because a quarter till 9 is 8:45. We're adding those 45 minutes, and we're subtracting 1 hour. So 9 subtracted by 1 is 8. And a quarter till 10 is, a quarter till equals 45 minutes, subtract 1 hour. So it is 9:45. If you got 9:45, phenomenal job. Because a quarter till 10 is 9:45. We add those 45 minutes and we subtract that 1 hour. And last one, a quarter till 11. Think about it. If you got 10:45, awesome job. It is 10:45. A quarter till 11 is 10:45. We add those 45 minutes and we subtract that 1 hour. Now let's do some quick ones on the go. What would be a quarter till 12? A quarter till 12, if we add 45 minutes and subtract 1 hour to 12. Think about it. If you thought 11:45, you are right. We'll do 2 more here. A quarter till 1. What is a quarter till 1? Add those 45 minutes and subtract that 1 hour. And if you thought it was 12:45, awesome job. And then another one for you. A quarter till 8. If it's a quarter till 8 in the morning, what time is it? Remember to add that 45 and subtract that hour. So a quarter till 8 would be 7:45. Okay, so now moving on to our new concept for today. Adding 2-digit numbers. Our first number here is 36. It's what? Get ready? Yes, 36 plus 27 is our second set of numbers. What is our second set of numbers? Get ready? 27. So when we want to remember what Miss Neal said about adding, we first want to write the larger number, which one is our larger number in these 2 sets of numbers? If you said 36 is our larger number, that is a phenomenal job. It is 36. So we're going to write 36. And now we're going to add our lesser number right under it, which would be what? Get ready. It would be 27. So we would write our 27 right under our larger number, which is 36. And when we're adding 2 or 3-digit numbers, we always want to add vertically. This here is vertically. They're up and down. So it helps us reach our answer or our sum. So under 36, we'll write 37. Now, if we remember from our last few concepts, we remember our place values. Our what? Get ready? Yes, place values. Place values is a bit of a review, but we always want to make sure that our place values line up. So we're looking for the ones place value. Which two numbers are in the ones place value? If you said 6 and 7, you are right. 6 and 7 are in the ones place value. And which two numbers are in the tens place value? Which of our two add-ins are in the tens place value? If you said 3 and 2, you are also right. That is in the tens place value. So we're going to move on to our adding our add-ins. So looking at our ones place value, because we always start in our ones, what is 6 plus 7? Think about it. 6 plus 7 is 13. If you got 13, phenomenal job. We are going to place our 3 under our ones place and our 1 on top of our tens place, because our 13, with our 13, our 3 is in our ones place and our 1 is in our tens. And so now we're going to look at the tens place value here. What is 1 plus 3 plus 2? 1 plus 3 plus 2. If you answered 6, awesome job, that is phenomenal. Our sum of 36 plus 27 is 63. Moving on, we have 54 plus 36. Which of these two numbers are our bigger number, our greater number? If you said 54, phenomenal job. 54 is our greater number. And then we're going to put 36 under our 54 because we're always going to add or subtract vertically when we're doing this work so we can show it. And then we're going to look at our ones place value. Which two numbers are in our ones place value? If you said 4 and 6, awesome job. 4 and 6 are in our ones place. And which of our two numbers are in our tens place? If you said 5 and 3, phenomenal job. 5 and 3 are in our tens place. So what is 4 plus 6? If you said 4 plus 6 was 10, awesome job. We are going to put that 0 under in our ones place, and we're going to move that 1 into our tens place. So we're going to add our tens next. What is 1 plus 5 plus 3? 1 plus 5 plus 3, if you said 9, awesome job. So 54 plus 36 equals 90. These are how we're going to add our two-digit numbers. And we're going to move on. 92 plus 49. Which number is our greater number between 92 and 49? If you said 92 was our greater number, awesome job. It is 92. And we're going to add that 49 right below it because we're going to add vertically always to show our work. And looking at our ones place, which two numbers are in our ones place? Yes, 2 and 9 are in our ones place. We're going to add 2 plus 9. What is 2 plus 9? If you said 11, awesome job. Our 1 is going to go in our ones place, and our other one is going to go in our tens place on top of our 9. So what is 1 plus 9 plus 4 in our tens value place? One plus 9 plus 4 equals 14. So the sum of our add-ins, 92 plus 49, is 141. Awesome job, guys. So here's our still two digits, but 3 sets of numbers. And which of these, out of these 3 sets of numbers, is our larger number? Which one is our larger number? 23. Whoops. And then we'll put 16 underneath it. And then underneath our 16, we'll put our 12. Now in our ones place, which three numbers are in our ones place? Think about it. Yes, 3, 6, and 2. These are our ones place. What is 3 plus 6 plus 2? Three plus 6 plus 2 equals 11. We're going to put that 1 in our ones place, and we're going to move that other one to the top of our tens place. And then looking at our tens place, what four numbers are in our tens place? What four numbers are 1, 2, 1, and 1? These are in our tens place. So what is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1? Yes, 5. So the sum of this problem, 23 plus 16 plus 12 equals 51. 51 is going to be our sum. And moving on. This concept is adding two-digit numbers, but in word form. So first, let's read the question. How much money is 5 $10 bills and 3 $1 bills? So first, we're going to figure out how much is 5 $10 bills. So we can write this answer out. So if we have 5 $10 bills, we'll have 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many $10 bills do we have? We would have, yes, 50 $10 bills. And if we have 3 $1 bills, how many bills do we have in $1 bills? 3 $1 bills. We have 3. So once we have our two add-ins, our 50 and our 3, which one is our larger number out of our 50 and our 3? If you said 50, phenomenal job. 50 is our larger number. And then we're going to put 3 in our ones place. So adding 0 plus 3, what is 0 plus 3? It's 3. That was a pretty easy one. And we don't need to carry anything. So this 5 here, what is 5 plus 0? 5 plus 0 is 5. So we're going to drop down our 5 and our $sign. Make sure that we're always labeling with our $sign, and we're always boxing our answers for our homework. All right, and moving on. How much money is 6 $10 bills and 4 $1 bills? So let's think about how much 6 $10 bills. We can write it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much money is 6 $10 bills? It's 60. Next, and 4 $1 bills. How much is 4 $1 bills? How much is 4 $1 bills? It's 4. Out of the two numbers, which one is our larger number? 60 or 4? Oops. Oh man. It's 60. 60 is our larger number out of the two numbers. And then we're going to add our 4 in the ones place. And what is 0 plus 4? What is 0 plus 4? It's 4. And then moving to our tens place, we're going to drop that 6 right down because 6 plus 0 equals 6. And then also dropping that $sign. Make sure to also always label your work. All right, moving on to our lesson practice. Now, if you have your grid sheet with you, this is where we would flip it over to see numbers 20 through 25. And you would cross out, I believe it's number 23 to 30. So crossing out 23 to 30 and writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H on our grid sheet paper. And you can pause the video now and do it. You can pause the video now to make your grid sheet paper. On the back of the paper, on number 23 through 30, writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. And I'm going to move on, and I will do number C. Let's do C first. So looking at C, $30 plus $20 plus $5. Which one is our larger number? 30 is our larger number. Next is 20, our second larger number. And next is 5. And we're going to add those. Oops. Always making sure that our place values are in the correct place. So our ones, which numbers are in our ones place value? Yes, 5 is in our ones place value. You're always going to remember to do this work on your paper. So in your book for your homework, when you have 3 sets of numbers or 2 sets of numbers, we're always going to write it vertically. And under our ones place value, 0 plus 0 plus 5 equals 5. And moving up to our tens place, 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the sum of 30 plus 20 plus 5 equals 55. And making sure to always box your answer when you are done with it, and labeling if it needs to be labeled. So on your grid sheet paper or your piece of paper that you made a grid sheet out of, you will always want to show your work like this, like so. And now we're going to move on to F. Let's look at F. Let's change the color here. F, 39 plus 23. $39 plus $23. Which number is our greatest number? Think about it. It's 39. Plus 23. Oops. So which 2 numbers are in our ones place value? Yes, the 9 and the 3 are in our ones place value. What is 9 plus 3? 12. Making sure that we put that 2 under our ones place value and that 1 just above our tens place value. Sorry guys, this is a little out of sorts just because I'm doing it on my computer. Okay, so what is 1 plus 3 plus 2? It is 6. So our sum of $39 plus $23 equals $62. And always remembering to box our answer when we're done with it and showing our work. All right, now let's Next, let's look at problem E. We're jumping around a bit, but that's okay. Okay, so looking at problem E, let me highlight it for you. This one is one of our word problems. You're going to find this in your homework today. So remember what we're going to do. How much money is 4 $10 bills and 11 $1 bills? So we want to find out how much is 4 $10 bills. So if we have 4 tens, how much is 4 $10 bills? It's 40. And how much is our 11 $1 bills? Oops. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much is our $1 $11 bills? $11. So which one out of our two numbers is our greater number? It's going to be 40. So 40, and then our lesser number is 11. So looking at our ones place value, what is 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1 is 1. And looking at our tens place value, what is 4 plus 1? It's 5. So the sum for $40 plus $11 is $51. And making sure we're what? Get ready? Yes, we are boxing our answers every time. Okay, now you will pause this video and complete the rest of our lesson practice. So what you're going to complete, sorry, let me get this out of the way. Erase it. So when I highlight what you'll complete, which is A, B, we did C together. You'll also do D, G, and H. So pause this video now and create and make the sums on your graph paper of the green highlighted questions. And you can pause your video now. All right, and we're going to, oops. Okay, now let's do number A, or lesson A. So 60 plus 22, which is our larger number? Yeah, it's 60. So 60, and then plus 22. I can't make my dollar sign. Oh, yes, I can. Yes. All right. 60 plus 22, what is 0 plus 2? It's 2. And what is 6 plus 2? It's 8. So if you have 82 for number A, phenomenal job, making sure that you always box your answer and you add your label, which is going to be the dollar sign. And for number B, we have our 3 digits, our 3 sets of 2-digit numbers. Which one is the larger number? 49 will go on top. Then we have 30. And then 10. So what is 9 plus 0 plus 0? 9. And 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. So the sum of 49 plus 30 plus 10 is 89. Oops. And number C, or I'm sorry, we did C, number D, 20 plus 20. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So our sum of 20 plus 20 is 40. And G, let me do it over here. Which one is our bigger number? It's 52. 52 will go first. Plus 26. What is 26 plus 2 in our ones place? It's 8. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. So the sum of G of 52 plus 26 is 78. And moving down to H, 35 plus 16. 35 is our greater number. We'll put that on top. Plus 16. What is 6 plus 5? Or 5 plus 6? It's 11. Oops. Making sure that we put our 1 up above our ones place. We want to add that into our number. What is 3 plus 1 plus 1? It's 5. So H is 51. Making sure we box all of our answers on our sum. And if you got these right, phenomenal job, awesome job. Make sure that you are also using your red pen just to circle it. And then if you want to write the right answer next to it, that would be very helpful too, to remember how you got these sums and what you did wrong. This also helps Miss Neal and I understand what you guys are grasping when you turn in your homework, so we know what we need to work more on, and that's okay. So moving on, oops, this is the homework for today. Let me erase all these things. So in your Saxon math book, you want to turn to page 73. It is lesson 13 today. And today's problems 2, 7, 10, 11, and 18 we will go over in this video. Also the tricky problems 3, 4, 9, 12, and 20 we will go over in this video. And then you can do second and third problems on your own after we're done with this video. Okay, so looking at our math book, remember you are writing everything on your graph paper, and I do have my graph paper here with me, but you can't see it, so I'm just going to do it on the screen with you. But remember, you're always writing your answers next to number 2 on your graph paper or the graph paper that you made. So number 2. Oops, let me highlight number 2. Add 30 plus 30. So we're going to write our answer out. Oh my gosh. Okay. 30. Oops. Plus 30. And 0 plus 0 is 0. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So remember always putting your what? Your label, which is the dollar, and always boxing your answer. So that is number 2. Our next today's problem is number 7. So looking at number 7, Oops.